Hi friends, today we're going to show you how to build an automata kit. An automata is a mechanical sculpture that brings a story to life. You will be building an automata project that makes one object move up and down and another object spin round and round. First, let's take a look at what's in our kit. 4 rectangle panels, 2 triangle pieces, 3 square pieces, 3 3D printed gears, 3 bamboo skewers, 1 paper straw, and a bunch of colorful craft sheets. You can also find pom-poms and pipe cleaners in your kit too. Use these for decorating. You'll also need hot glue, markers, scissors, and tape. Step 1. Decorate the 4 white rectangle panels. These pieces will be used to build the box of your automata. Step 2. Get 2 of your rectangle panels. Use the pointy ends of the bamboo skewer to poke a hole in each one, but make sure the holes line up evenly on both panels. Set these aside for later. Step 3. Get another rectangle panel. This is the top panel of your automata box. Use the pointy end of the bamboo skewer to poke 2 holes on the top. Make sure they're a little spaced out from each other. Use a pencil to widen each hole. They should be big enough so that you can put your straw through them. Step 4. Use a pair of scissors to cut 1/4 of your paper straw. That's about 2 centimeters. You'll need 2 pieces. Step 5. Get your top panel. Insert the piece of straw into one of the holes about halfway through. Repeat this step for the other hole in straw. Glue it into place. Step 6. It's time to build your box. You will need a hot glue gun for this, or regular glue plus tape. Get all 4 of your rectangle panels. The panel with no holes goes at the bottom. Glue the side panels like this. Lastly, glue the top panel, that's the one with 2 holes on top, like this. Step 7. If your box is wobbly, then you might also want to glue 2 triangles to the corner. This will help keep your box steady. Glue one to the top left corner, glue the other to the bottom right corner. Step 8. You'll need the longest bamboo skewer and these 2 gears now. Slide your skewer into one of the holes on the side panel. Each gear has a tiny hole at the center where the bamboo skewer slides through. Slide the gears onto the bamboo skewer and then through the opposite hole of the side panel. Step 9. Take 2 of the short bamboo skewers and slide them into the straw holes. Step 10. Now you'll need the tiny square pieces of foam. Place some glue at the center of it and then stick it to the end of the shortest skewer. Wait for the glue to dry. Step 11. Get your largest gear. It looks like this. Slide the skewer end into the hole that is at the center of the gear. Your gear should not fall off the skewer. If it does, then add a little glue to secure it in place. Step 12. It's time to align your gears. The funny shaped gear should be aligned to this gear with the foam board at the bottom. The other gear should be slightly offset so it helps the other gear turn round and round. Step 13. Test it out. Try turning the skewer and see what happens. What do you notice? This gear makes the object go up and down, while these 2 gears make the object spin round and round. If you find that your horizontal skewer is sliding back and forth too much, there are 2 extra tiny square foam pieces in the box. You can attach these to the end of the skewers to keep them in place. Step 14. Now it's time to have fun. Customize your automata. Design the pieces that go on the top of the box. Mine has an astronaut hopping up and down and a planet spinning round and round. What kind of story do you want to tell with your automata project? Great job! Don't forget to share your creations with us by tagging Little Robot Friends on social.